Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros takes pride in providing quality auto repair at fair prices. They want to invite you to make them your auto shop. Fair and honest professional service is what they've been providing drivers since Warren Secord opened his shop on the west side of Kent in 1965. Today, ASE certified technicians help you with almost anything you might drive. At Warren Secord Tire Pros, they work on cars, trucks, SUVs, foreign or domestic. And if you're a business with a fleet of light trucks, talk to them about being your place to service your vehicles. And also be sure to ask about their monthly specials. Whether it's an oil change, flushing your radiator, repairing your brakes, or something else, every month they provide a special price better than their already low fair prices for service and repair your vehicle needs. Thanks for visiting. Now go see Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros at the corner of West Smith and Washington in Kent. You'll be glad you did.